What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Just looking around. There's a lot of worms kind of on the top, which is neat to see. Definitely this bedding is turning into castings. I believe it was just pulp over on this side. Today I'm going to go ahead and get a chance to feed the pumpkin. I went ahead and was able to slice some up and get it in the freezer. So let's go ahead and see if there's anything left in the feeding area and then kind of go from there. Oh, I must have lied. There's a banana. Yeah, that had a little piece of banana in it. Nice. Wow. Pretty cool. I'm going to move that to the side and put that in the next feeding area. So I'll go ahead and quick fluff it, see how everything's looking. So here's the piece of pumpkin, and I'm going to actually quick cut this stem off and stick that in there too, and then we'll get a chance to see later on how well they actually can break down a stem too. So it's pretty cool. I was just able to put my hand on here and then pry it back. So I am adding some bedding, but I'm not actually going to add any bedding right where I'm putting the pumpkin, so it allows the microbes to get to it just a little faster. Okay, we'll add a little bit of grit to that new section of bedding to aid in the worm's digestion because they don't have teeth. And then I'll just cover up that pumpkin and that banana. And lastly, I like to add a little bit of worm chow over top the feeding zone. This allows the worms to come in and give them something that's available quickly. And then as the food continues to break down by the microbes in the bin, then the worms can go after the feeding zone. And I forgot I have a tissue. So I'm just gonna stuff that where the fresh bedding is. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. If you guys have any questions, don't forget, drop them down in the comments. Today was the 44th feeding. So this is pretty cool. We're closing in on a year, and this bin has really come a long way. It only started with 350 worms, so I'm very pleased with the progress so far. And who knows, I may do something crazy and try to get a little count to see how many worms are in there now. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.